Incredible brightness. We adopt double-row LED design, which makes the lumen output as 200% brighter than the normal single-row LED. Off-road adventure design. It is made of durable rust-proof flexible aluminum substrate and filled with watertight silicone, which meets the international IP67 standard. Easy to install. No need to drill once applied. The tough as nails 50 pounds rated automotive adhesive will not fall off. Then use our 4-pin toe connector for quick connection. Plug and play. 5 function. Supports 5 functions: running light, brake light, left turn signal, right turn signal and reverse light. Widely applicable. This flexible strip is 60 inches long and is suitable for most pickups, trailers, truck, towing vehicle, cars, SUV, RV, van, etc. Specifications. Brake light, reverse DRL light color, red, yellow, white working voltage, 12 to 16 volts DC light source, 264 PCs LEDs LED strip length, 60 waterproof, IP67 materials, LED chip plus silicone working lifespan. Over 30,000 hours plug and play 4-pin flat connector, plugs directly into U-trailer adapter. Top reviews from the United States. After 2 months and 3 days raining starting making problems. Only 2 months from time I bought. After 3 days raining start having problems, not worth it.